kitty. What are you doing? We're all on our walk because we're really far from home. Okay, let's go on our walk. You guys coming? Peanut. And Bruiser's up there. And here's the kitty. He's walking. Oh, he got an itch. Are you coming? What you doing? What? Okay, let's go. Peanut's walking. The kitty's walking. We have to stop because we're at the end. Easy, kitty. Let's go this way. Oh, yeah, where's Peanut? Come on, Peanut. Okay, here we go. Back on our walk. Come on, kitty. Kitty, 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 come on. There's Peanut and Bruiser. And why do I talk like this? I don't know. Come on, we're gonna cross the street. You ready to cross the street? You gotta lick yourself. Okay, Peanut. Got a big curb to jump up. I know you don't like it, but oh, you did it. Okay. Let's pick you up. Oh. Okay. Now we gotta cross the street. Come on, kitty, kitty. Kitty, 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 come on. Oh. Goodness. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, shit. Come on. That was fast. Oh, and the car scared him. Wish I'd have got that, but I was a little worried about the car hitting him. Okay. Let's go back to the house. Come on. No, let's go. Bruiser. Peanut, come on. Let's go. Yeah, say tell him. Come on. There you come. Okay. Let's go back to the door. Come on. Oh, he's home. Peanut, what are you doing? Go get him. Okay, stop. Okay, come on. Let's go. Ready to come back inside? Want to go inside? Let's go. Come on. Let's go inside. Okay, let's go. Good boy. Okay. Good boy. Here's our walk for the day. I was not kidding. Okay. Now what are we going to do? What's up? What's everybody going to do now? The end.